Javed, known for her bold and experimental fashion, turned heads once again as she stunned in a red sari during a podcast shoot with Funcho. Staying true to her signature style, she gave the traditional sari a modern and edgy twist. The red sari draped elegantly over her frame, exuding a mix of glamour and grace. Unlike a classic drape, Urfi added her own bold touch, possibly with a unique pleating style, cutout blouse, or an unconventional twist to the pallu. Urfi elevated her look, literally, with high heels, which could be stilettos or dramatic platform heels. Her look blended traditional elegance with a daring, modern edge, proving once again that Urfi Javed doesn't follow trends, she makes them. Whether it's a sari or an avant-garde outfit, she always brings her fearless fashion game. Another Urfi Javed's latest fashion masterpiece is a breathtaking fusion of art and couture, inspired by the visionary designs of Iris van Herpen and the kinetic sculptures of Anthony Ham. This dress isn't just an outfit, it's a moving piece of art that took 2 months to bring to life with Metal Bender Studio. The dress appears to be crafted from intricate metalwork or sculptural elements, giving it a futuristic, almost surreal aesthetic. True to Iris van Herpen's avant-garde influence, the outfit likely features fluid, organic patterns that mimic movement, air, or waves. The metallic structure, possibly with laser-cut details or 3D printed elements, creates an illusion of floating or shifting shapes, making it an absolute showstopper. By wearing this art-meets fashion piece, Urfi proves yet again that she isn't afraid to push boundaries and experiment with wearable sculptures.
रोज का मिल जाए।
ये मैंने ही बनाई है, ये डिजाइनर है वो बेचारे हमारे के साथ जा रहे हैं अखिलेश जी ने बनाई है, ये सभी से इंस्पायर्ड है। जैसे आग जलती है,
हाँ सती सी
इन्होंने अखिलेश जी ने बनाई।
चलो ड्रेस का नेम क्या है?
ड्रेस का नाम क्या है?
ड्रेस का नाम गोल्डन चक्रा।
Coming to Urfi Javed's Golden Chakra dress is a true masterpiece that blends fashion with art and sculpture. This avant-garde creation reflects her fearless approach to style, drawing inspiration from kinetic art and futuristic couture. The sculptural, three-dimensional design gives the illusion of motion, inspired by kinetic art and high-fashion craftsmanship. This look is not just an outfit but an artistic expression, merging fashion with futuristic aesthetics. By pairing it with minimal accessories and sleek styling, Urfi allows the dress to remain the focal point, proving that she's a true fashion risk-taker. Once again, Urfi Javed redefines fashion with a look that's out of this world. Love her or hate her, Urfi Javed is here to break boundaries and redefine fashion. What do you think of this Golden Chakra dress? Let us know in the comments.